What's up, YouTube? So we just got the Can-Am loaded on the trailer and we're gonna be hauling this out to Bulldog Canyon. So pretty excited. First trip with the Can-Am. Go to the trail right now. All right, Victoria's gonna drive. Victoria's driving. Everyone get off the trails. All right, so we're out here, Bulldog Canyon. Beautiful area to ride so far. Can-Am's been really good. We're hitting whoops pretty quick, so no issues there, everything's running. All right, so move it to high, H. All right, so give it a little bit of gas. See where that engages? Okay, let off. So you want to let it engage before you give it some more gas. So push on it again. There we go. Now give it more gas. What? Yeah. So let's go up this way. more gas? Huh? More gas. There we go, more gas. More gas, more gas. There we go. Watch the rocks. There's a Jeep behind you right here. There's a Jeep. All right, we're out in Bulldog Canyon here. Some nice views I've never seen before. X3's been great so far. I've had no issues. We've been switching down to low gear for some of the rock crawling and the slow technical stuff. And then on the open trails, we're doing high gear, and this thing just eats up all the bumps and whoops. So it's going really well so far. I've had no issues, and this thing's fun out here.
Get in!
All right, we're all done for the ride. Just got her loaded up again. Out here near Bulldog Canyon. It's a fun ride. Had no issues. She's all loaded up and ready to take home. All right, we're on our way back home. We had a great time in the Can-Am X3. So first impressions, the suspension is really soft and you can pretty much go over anything and not really feel it. Plenty of power out on the trail. We couldn't really open it up too much because of the way the trail's set up. Lots of blind corners and lots of sand, but yeah, plenty of power. Handling is great. Even the four-seater, we had no issues on those tight trails. So yeah, we had a great time.
I am the best film person.
How was
ever.
the driving?
The driving was good. Like,
Yeah.
how was my driving experience?
Yeah, when you drove it?
Oh, it was good.
Yeah.
It was just stressful because I'm afraid someone's gonna come up and I'm not gonna know what to do. I'm just gonna freeze and just park and let them finagle their way around me.
That's pretty much how it goes.
So it was good. It was fun. Glad you let me drive this time.
Yeah.